Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this cute little Mother's Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. And we're going to be using the Mother's Flair, so we're going to use the high heel, and you make motherhood look good. We're going to ink that up in the basic black and get the high heel first. All right. And I want it close to the top, just like that. And then I have another piece of Whisper White, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to ink that up in the Berry Burst. And if you only have the black archival ink, you can use that. So I have this sentiment mounted on block C. All right, just like that. And that is all the stamping we're doing right now. I'm going to come in with my Berry Burst Stampin' Right marker. And I'm just going to color in the petals here. All right, and then I have my lemon lime twist that I'm using for the leaves. All right, and then I have my pearls, and I'm just going to get the smallest one, and I'm going to place it right in the center, just like that. All right, so let's start putting this card together. I have a piece of basic black, and this measures 3 1/2 by 2 3/4. And I am just going to put my snail down. Like that. And then I have the Berry Burst metallic edged ribbon. And for this, I want to tie a bow. All right, let's start over. All right, that will do. All right, so just like that. Then I have a piece of Berry Burst, and this measures 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. All right, now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to pop this piece up. just like that. And then I will take the inside of my card and we're going to put that down with some snail as well. Hang on one second. Alright, so here is a good opportunity for me to teach you how to switch that out. You remove this, take that out from the packaging, and then snap it in. It is that easy. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Mother's Day card. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!